You mean to tell me this little thing handles the whole house, even the edges? That's impressive.
This is absolutely ridiculous. It never ends. I vacuum and 2 minutes later it looks exactly the same. I can't do this anymore.
Are you serious? I just vacuumed and look at all this hair and these crumbs. This vacuum is completely useless. The new DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 just arrived. Check this out. Look at that go. My floors have never looked cleaner. This is the DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2, and it truly redefines automated cleaning. Look at this incredible design.
This robot vacuum isn't just smart, it's powerful. Watch how it effortlessly deep cleans both my floors with suction that truly impresses.
And right here, you can see the extendable brush activating, pulling debris directly out of that deep corner. It's incredibly efficient. With the Duo Scrub system, you can see the difference immediately. It delivers a perfect, streak-free shine every time.
With the new smart mapping feature, you can tell the robot exactly where to clean, all thanks to the upgraded AI navigation.
As you can see, the advanced navigation effortlessly avoids obstacles like shoes, ensuring a perfect clean every time. Check this out. It's fully automatic. The vacuum empties itself straight into the dock. That suction power is seriously impressive.
And the best part? It cleans itself. The dock uses high-pressure steam to wash the mop, so you don't have to lift a finger. And the best part, as it moves onto the carpet, the suction automatically maximizes, ensuring a truly deep clean every time. I used to struggle with pet hair, but now this incredible machine takes care of it automatically. It really is the best way to keep a clean home. With this app, keeping my home spotless is incredibly easy. Look, I just tap here and the vacuum gets to work instantly. I used to spend hours cleaning, but now I just relax and enjoy my coffee while the smart vacuum does all the work. It's life-changing.
This is what true luxury feels like. Waking up in the morning and feeling completely at ease in your own space.
Welcome to a life without limits. When you strive for the best, the results speak for themselves.
This is the new DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2. It's truly a game changer in home cleaning technology, offering unmatched performance and luxury. Stop cleaning and start living. With the DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2, your floors are spotless. Click the link to learn more.